deep within the gloomy, foggy waters of the North Sea, a colossal ghost from the past century slowly emerges from the dust of time.
Take that load over to the east side. We need this section clear by noon.
Cruise ship. A rusty steel ruin standing silently against the erosion of sea salt and wind. Once a symbol of pride in the 1920s. It is now a pile of rubble with peeling hulls, decaying teak decks, and dark corridors overgrown with weeds and littered with remnants of a lost golden age. Yet, a crazy and extravagant renovation.
Move that skid steer to the left.
All right, bring the next load over here by the bow.
Out, coming through.
We need more bags over here.
All right, push that section down now.
Yeah, sparks flying.
Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bring that rusted metal over here. Panel move to the starboard side now.
All right, let's get the wheelbarrow over here.
We need to run the main conduit up to section 4, exactly where the lights are marked on the schematic.
Make sure the voltage stabilizer is connected before securing the panel.
The thermal insulation around the frame needs checking.
Already done, it's ready for sign off.
The lighting synchronization is perfect. Absolutely stunning. The ocean reflection on the floor is flawless. We are officially ready.
Is that centered for you?
Just a little to the left. Perfect. Let's check the level. Transition point right here. The gloss against the raw concrete is exactly what we wanted.
It's perfect. Make a note to keep the edges sharp.
Looks perfect, doesn't it?
Yes, the gloss is incredible. We just need to wipe that corner. This batch is mixed. Start pouring near the starfish.
Okay, I'm ready with the squeegee. Go slow.
Okay, bring it left a little.
Right here. Ready to set it down?
Yes, easy now.
Transforming this steel graveyard into a bustling construction site with a team of engineers and colossal machinery. We will witness the breathtaking revival process. From clearing the gloomy ruins and polishing every inch of rusted steel to the construction of an astonishingly sophisticated interior. The rusty steel floors gradually disappeared, replaced by masterpieces of 3D epoxy flooring with a mirror-like finish, mimicking vibrant coral reefs, smooth golden sands, or unique fresh coconut fronds underfoot. The rustic charm of the old ship's hull gave way to walls clad in precious wood.
The finish on these panels is flawless.
Absolutely perfect. We're ready for the galley equipment.
The garnish is ready for the sea bass.
Perfect. Bring it to the pass. Behind you with Trey.
Un poco más a la izquierda. ¿Así está bien? Sí, perfecto. Ponle más mezcla.
Keep pouring, watch the edge there.
All right, bring the rollers through now.
Moving back, clear the spikes. Hurry up, we need to pour before it's set. I'm moving as fast as I can.
Look at this detail right here. It's absolutely flawless. The finish is perfect.
Yes.
Great. Let's finalize the report.
Watch the floor, careful with that trim.
Coming through, clear the path.
We need these panels upstairs now, move it.
We need to adjust the wiring conduit right here.
Okay, I'll secure that junction box immediately.
Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. Easy now, set it down. Lift together. To the left, push left. Okay, set it down right here. Clear on this side.
White marble with cloud-like veins.
Yes, the polish is
and a
excellent.
magical LED
Perfect.
lighting
I'll
system
make a
flowing
note that the
down the
floor is
ceiling
approved.
like rivers of light. From the expansive vaulted master living room and the professional 5-star kitchen to the spa and gym with a 270-degree panoramic view, here's your ocean. Every corner is a perfect blend of modern technology and ultimate luxury. Finally, the once rusty ghost ship is truly transformed into a pristine, gleaming white ocean villa, proudly anchored in the tropical bay, writing a brilliant new chapter for a legend almost forgotten at the bottom of time.
Or just a little. And down.
Check the voltage on the red conduit.
Reading stable at 220. Looks good.
I'll raise you another 5,000.
Fold. The pot is yours.